The Zero SRF is the first naked sport bike of its kind, delivering the most transformational motorcycling experience. Effortless power, torque and horsepower that redefine the riding experience and leave competitors in the dust. Innovative design and Zero's new ZF7510 motor delivers 140 foot-pounds of torque and 110 horsepower. The new rapid charge system paired with our ZF14.4 lithium-ion battery results in up to 200 miles on a single charge and can be configured to charge to 95% in as little as an hour. Effortless control. The SRF is both brawn and brain, unprecedented in performance and adaptability. Equipped with Zero's Cypher 3 operating system and Bosch motorcycle stability control, the SRF boasts best-in-class straight line and cornering brake control across all 14 ride modes. Effortless connection. The first smart bike capable of real-time cellular connection thanks to the combination of Cypher 3 and Zero's next-generation app and dash. Access ride data, bike location, and remotely set charging parameters anytime, anywhere. The SRF also communicates status updates, including interruptions in charging and tip-over, and remotely pulls firmware updates to ensure continued optimal performance. The Zero SRF, effortless power. Test ride today at your local Zero Motorcycles dealership.
Bukk Limited Edition, the next level in the category of electric, lightweight, high-performance off-road motorcycles. We proudly present the Bukk, handpicking the best suspension, featuring an Öhlins S46 rear shock customized for Bukk with 297mm of travel on the rear wheel, combined with a 43mm WP cone valve air fork with 278mm of travel. Swapping batteries under 30 seconds without any tools. Fast standard outlet charging and up to 3 hours of range. Highly connected through the Cake Connect app, with 3 preset riding modes and endless custom settings and adjustments by the rider, giving an array of riding style choices. The yellow color is the limited edition color, exclusive on the Bukk Limited Edition, refers to the Cake Racing color. Imagine 420 Newton-meter of raw, instant electric torque provided by the state-of-the-art 72-volt battery and 16-kilowatt motor. And everything divided by the 85-kilogram light build. The category-leading power-to-weight ratio will provide you with incomparable agility, flow, and speed without disturbing or polluting on trails and track. Lightness is key. Explore the transition towards a zero-emission society and a new way of riding.
I wanted to create a design language that was very characteristically and unmistakably electric. It's easy to do what you know, and that's very reassuring and it's familiar, but I think in some ways as a designer you need to fight that. It's slightly heretical to admit this, but you really don't miss gears as much as you think you would. You spend more of your time thinking about road positioning and smoothness, so you end up just riding better in a way. Literally whatever situation you find yourself in, you are always in the right gear. You're used to accelerating on a gasoline bike and you have to change gears. With an electric bike, it's just relentless. You just punch it and it just keeps going and going and going.
Imagine motorcycling in the future. An experience that adapts to you, the changing traffic, and to any road you're on. Imagine having a sixth sense of everything around you and being connected to your surroundings in an entirely new way. Imagine a whole new level of aliveness, free from worry, free from discomfort, free to enjoy each and every moment in its entirety.